Hello everyone. Many users complain of facing this issue where they see an error message like Msstdfmt.dll not found or the file Msstdfmt.dll is missing while trying to access or install a program on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 PC. The Msstdfmt.dll error can arise due to a situation that may end up deleting or damaging some of the files in Msstdfmt.dll, may lead to a registry issue, a virus attack, or the hardware may get damaged. However, fortunately, there are a couple of fixes that can help you resolve this issue. Method 1, by running SFC Scannow. Go to the Start button on your desktop and type command prompt in the search field. Right-click on the result and select Run as Administrator to open command prompt in admin mode. In the command prompt window, type the below command and hit enter. The scan takes some time, so wait till it completes. It will fix any errors detected on the spot. Method 2, using Registry command. First, open your browser and go to the following page. It will show links for all 32-bit versions. Download the most recent DLL file. Extract the downloaded zip file. Now, press the Windows plus E keys together on your keyboard to open the File Explorer. Click on this PC shortcut on the left and click to open the C drive on the right. Navigate to the below location from the address bar. Now, copy the Msstdfmt.dll file from the desktop and paste it in the location. In the prompt that appears, click on Continue to give the administrator rights to paste. Now, again open command prompt with admin mode as shown in. Now, execute the following commands and hit enter. Now, restart your PC and the error should be gone.